So now we're looking at Whittington Moor, approaching from the southbound A61 heading north, which is in the bottom right of your screen. We're going to be taking the fourth exit on the roundabout, which is signposted to Eckington. So on approach, make sure you MSPSL into the right-hand lane, and then on approach, stay in the right-hand lane and approach the roundabout. At this point then, your judgment skill comes into play, making sure you've effectively assessed all of the traffic coming round from the right-hand side to ensure that you emerge safely onto the roundabout. And when you do so, stay in the inside lane. Now at this point, we freeze it for a second to pay attention to these markings here. These push you out into the correct lane, so you're positioned correctly on the roundabout. So when you move at this point, ensure you check your left mirror. Once you've done so, continue moving and then MSPSL again to exit the roundabout safely. So now let's look at this from an in-car perspective. Again, we need to be in the right-hand lane, so mirror signal move into the right-hand lane. This, of course, is traffic depending on when you can do this. Check the sign to ensure you know your destination, fourth exit to Eckington. The road markings also tell you the road name and number so that you can actually get into the correct lane on approach. Here, mirror signal again into the right-hand lane. We're now at the roundabout. Here, we should starting to be look right, even though there may be traffic in front of us, so that we can still use our judgment skill, effectively looking for a safe gap in the traffic. It's important at this point you know which lane you're going to emerge into. The green lane here on the diagram is where you need to be, not the red. Having then assessed the roundabout to ensure it is safe, you can then emerge onto the roundabout when it is safe to do so into that inside lane. We follow the roundabout round. Now you'll see those markings that we looked at earlier in the overhead view. We'll slow the footage down here so you can see it. The roundabout's going to push you out, so use your left mirror and then MSPSL again to ensure it's safe for you to exit the roundabout.
Now you've watched this video, you should have a better understanding of how to navigate that particular approach and exit on Whittington Moor. If you'd like to know more, please visit the link in the description below this video. Remember to subscribe to the videos as well. Thank you for watching.